Chapter 4. More about MS Word 2010. Chapter Focus. About MS Word. Start Microsoft Word 2010. Finding and replacing text. Microsoft Office Help button. Inserting hyperlinks. Setting line spacing. Setting paragraph spacing. Setting page orientation. Setting page margin. Mail merge. Microsoft Word 2010 is an application software and a part of MS Office package. It is a full-featured word processing program that allows you to create documents such as letters, reports, tables, charts, etc. Characteristics of Microsoft Word 2010. It enables us to edit and format text. It also enables us to put information in a tabular form. It helps us to check spelling and grammar in a document. It enables us to link and embed objects within a document. Clip art, movie clip, or sound can also be inserted. Start Microsoft Word 2010. Follow the given steps to start MS Word 2010. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click on Microsoft Word 2010. Finding and replacing text. You may have to search a word or phrase in the document. You may also have to replace that particular word or phrase. So, you use Find and Replace Text command. Finding text. To find text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on Find in the Editing group. Find and Replace dialog box appears. Step 3. In the Find What box, type the text or word that is to be searched. Step 4. Click on the More button to get more search options. Step 5. Click on the first Find Next for finding further occurrences. Step 6. Press ESC to stop searching. Replacing text. To replace text with some alternate text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on Finding in the Editing group. Find and Replace dialog box appears. Step 3. Click on the Replace tab under the Find and Replace dialog box. Type the text to be searched in the Find What box. Step 4. Type new text or word in the Replace With box. Step 5. Click Replace to substitute the word and replace all to replace all words with a word which has been typed in Replace With box. Step 6. Click on the More button for additional search options. Step 7. Close the dialog box after completing the search. Do you know? 1. Keyboard shortcut for finding text is Ctrl+F. 2. Keyboard shortcut for replacing text is Ctrl+H. Microsoft Office Help button. Microsoft Office Help button is located at the upper right corner of the ribbon. It is placed just below the Close button. It is used to seek help about any feature of MS Word. We type a query in the Word Help window and click on Search to find the result. Inserting hyperlinks. A hyperlink is used to move from one page to another very quickly by using just a single click on the link. The link can be in the form of text or picture. Microsoft Word 2010 supports almost all types of hyperlinks that users frequently use in their documents. To insert a hyperlink, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text in which the hyperlink is to be placed. Step 2. Click on Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the hyperlink in Links group. An Insert Hyperlink dialog box appears, which contains many options for creating a link. Do you know? Microsoft Office 2019 is the latest version of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office 2019 has been made available for Windows 10 and Mac OS on September 24, 2018. Setting line spacing. Let us follow these steps to set line spacing. Step 1. Select the paragraph to set line spacing. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on line spacing in the paragraph group and select the desired spacing from the list. Setting paragraph spacing. It is very easy to modify or change the spacing before or after any particular paragraph. To set paragraph spacing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the paragraph in which we want to change the spacing. Step 2. Click on Page Layout tab in the ribbon. Step 3. Find the paragraph group and choose the new spacing values in the form of points. Setting page orientation. Orientation means the pattern of page layout for printing. Portrait and landscape are two options for setting page orientation in MS Word. To set page orientation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Click on Orientation in the Page Setup group. This will display an option menu. Step 3. Select the Portrait or Landscape option. Setting page margin. Margins are spaces between the edges of paper and text. We can adjust the right, left, top and bottom margins of our document. Let us follow these steps to set page margin. Step 1. Click on the Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Margins in the Page Setup group. We can use either predefined margins from the list or custom margin. Mail merge. Mail merge is a unique feature that is used for sending any document or text to more than one person at the same time. There are some terms related to mail merge. Main document. It refers to the text which has to be sent to the recipients. Data source. It contains information about the addresses of the recipients. Merging. It is a process of combining the main document with data source. The final document is called the merged document. To mail merge, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Mailing tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Click on Start Mail Merge in the Start Mail Merge group and choose letters from the choices available. Step 3. Type the letter you want to send. Step 4. Click on Select Recipients and select a choice from Type New List. We can see New Addresses List dialog box. Step 5. Fill up the information in different fields. You may leave blank fields if needed. Step 6. Click on New Entry button if you want to create a new entry. Step 7. After completing the task, click on the OK button. Step 8. Give a suitable name to the list and click on Save option. Step 9. If you want to insert some more fields in your document, put the cursor at the place where you want to insert fields. Step 10. Click on Insert Merge field in Write and Insert Fields group and choose the required field. Highlight Merge Fields option can be used to identify a part of the document that will be replaced by the information from the recipient list. Step 11. Click on the Finish and Merge group. Step 12. Click Edit Individual Documents to see a dialog box. Step 13. In Merge to New Document dialog box, select the All option and click on OK. Merged letters can be opened in MS Word for more editing if need be. Points to remember. Microsoft Word 2010 has unique features for creating and modifying letters, reports, etc. If you want to find some text or words and replace them with others, then use Find and Replace Text command. Hyperlink is used to move from one page to another page very quickly by just single-clicking on the link. We can apply line spacing, space between paragraphs, etc. in Word. Page orientation means the pattern of page layout for printing. Margins are spaces between edges of the paper and the text.
A. Take the correct option.